And welcome into Bon Appetit. We're getting into the month of October. It's wonderful. I love the fall. Beautiful things happening. We're starting to finally get a little bit of a chill in the air. It's football time, and of course, October is beef month. So what better way to get an advent into the cool weather than a nice tasty bowl of chili. And a better way to do it, Allie Cantrell's here from the Alabama Cattlemen's Association.
Yes,
beef, it's what's for dinner, right?
It is.
And lunch, and we can even have it for breakfast.
We could have it for breakfast
Absolutely.
as well, for sure. So today I have what we call a big game Frito pie. So we basically, it's just a chili recipe, and you put it into, you get your Frito bag, put the Fritos in obviously, and then have the chili on top, and then put a little cheese on there, and you're good to go.
Oh, isn't that something?
That smells so good.
And what's exciting about this beef month is we're actually having our own chili cook-off here in Montgomery at Sweet Creek Farm Market this month. So it kind of brings us into the season a little bit more by having this chili out here.
That's right.
When are you doing that?
So that'll be October 12th. So
and you're also doing a beef cook-off at the Alabama National Fair.
Oh. We are.
Right, and that's that next Wednesday, I think.
That'll actually be the day before at the National Fair. It'll be Where's the Beef Cook-Off Contest is what it's called.
Okay.
So we're really excited. There's going to be a lot of cook-offs going on in October.
That's great.
We're ready.
So for people to get the recipe for this, they go to beefitswhatsfordinner.com.
Yes, sir.
And then it'll be just it'll be called the Frito chili recipe? Or
yeah, it's called the Big Game Frito Pie. So, but you can just search chili recipes and it should pop up.
Okay. So what ingredients did you put into this chili? And is there anything, obviously beef is the main.
Right. So ground beef is the main dish, but then I also have some diced tomatoes and green chilies. We have some tomato sauce, onions, chili powder, cumin. We also have some cayenne pepper, but that kind of makes up the majority of it right there. So, and then obviously you got your Fritos and your cheese for to top it off. So,
so if you're going to serve, could we put some on the plate?
Yes,
and
definitely.
Got some here, in fact, we could even. I'll open this one up and build another one of these.
Right.
So we can see she's got one that's already built.
Okay.
I
just can't see it.
Yeah. So you're gonna.
Yeah, we got one built right here. So you just open
you're
up the
opening
bag.
your bag of Fritos.
Kind
Then
of
you're gonna
split the ends
split
on
each end just
want.
to give it so it bends
so
over
you can
a little.
Get to your meat of it.
Okay.
Right. Get your
That's
meat
all right,
of it.
we
No,
Exactly.
no pun intended.
Right.
Okay, so are you going to leave you're not taking any of the Fritos out of there?
You
So
can leave the Fritos in there, or if you like your Fritos on top, you can move them around however you want to.
Well, that'd be nice to get a crunch.
Right.
'Cause otherwise, it may be a long time before you get down to that crunch.
Exactly.
I'd eat all the chili, and then, of course.
I mean, I'm okay with just eating the chili part too.
Actually, at home, I'd probably be serving that in a bowl, and then putting all this stuff on the top.
Yep.
You know, or you could do it in one big bowl.
Yeah.
And have people come and serve
But
themselves.
see, the neat thing about this for tailgating is you get a plastic spoon. When you finish that, you throw it away.
Yep.
There's no dishes to wash.
Nope, none at all.
Great.
And this all can be done in one pot as well. So it's only one pot to clean, and you can throw away the bag at the end of it. So it works out really well.
Gotcha.
And then Allie, normally you cook up your chili maybe even a couple of days in advance.
Right.
And then because that's one of those items that really kind of, I don't want to say ages well, but it's going to be good
it
for about 2 or 3
marinates well with
days.
all the spices and everything. Yeah, you could do this the day before, leave it in your crock pot on low, and it would be good to go for game day the next day. So.
Then that's all you got to do
gets
is
better and better.
bring it out, and then you're just ready to serve it. And like you say, you can either do it with that. It's just a wonderful dish.
Definitely.
And what I like about it is the ease.
Oh yeah. So like I said, one pot, you can use everything in one pot, and then if you want to do it in the little baggies, you can throw away the baggies at the end, and you don't have much cleanup afterwards. So it's great.
I love that.
Makes it good.
Oh,
so
yeah.
obviously this is National Beef Month, that of course in Alabama.
This is Alabama's Beef Month, actually.
Okay.
So we declare Beef Month in Alabama during October. So
all right.
it's kind of a historical thing.
Has the
for
governor
all
officially said this is Beef Month?
Yes, she has officially said. We actually had the
put
proclamation day on September 16th.
She
so.
put a piece of steak
Loving
in her
it.
mouth and said, "We're ready to go."
She did. She really did.
Great.
Well, thank you so much.
you.
And it's always so good and so easy and so convenient.
Absolutely.
And the fair. Glad you guys are
Yes.
participating.
Yep.
We're excited.
All right.
Good. And just remember, if you want the recipe, it's beefitswhatsfordinner.com. And enjoy beef, but enjoy, more importantly, the wonderful month of October. We'll be right back right after this.